Hey, back with another video, and today we are going to be talking about two herbs for the lungs that are cleansing herbs that can completely restore the respiratory tract, the lungs. Okay, so we don't hear enough about lungwort, but we hear a lot about mullein. Okay, so mullein and mugwort, both antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory. We know that mullein leaves have been used for smoking, for all the way, dating all the way back to the Native Americans till now. People still smoke mullein. It relieves irritation of the mucous membranes. It suppresses or relieves coughing. It's an expectorant. It clears mucus and phlegms. It's used for earaches, coughs, sore throat, sinus infections, migraines, menstrual cramps, toothache, bedwetting, urinary tract infection. It is a powerful, powerful herb for the lungs. It detoxes the lungs. It helps to pull out phlegm, and it also helps to get rid of tar. Okay, so now let's talk about lungwort. Why is it called lungwort? Well, it's been used all the way back to the 16th century, and it is also great for the lungs. It's right up there with mullein, but it's not talked about enough. This has been used all the way back from the 1600s, used in the bubonic plague. It clears the airways, expels mucus. It also removes tar, just like mullein does, from the lungs if you are a smoker. If you are a smoker, these are two herbs that you definitely want in your arsenal to attack the tar, the toxins that have built up in the lungs. These are two herbs that are very, very powerful. Both are for the respiratory, both are antiviral. They also, Lungwort rejuvenates. One thing about this, it also rejuvenates the damaged tissues that are caused from lung infections, from smoking. I mean, it literally helps to restore the damaged tissues. It's for colds, cough, asthma, bronchitis, pretty much exactly the same thing as mullein, but you just don't hear about this as often as you hear about the mullein. So also, lungwort, great for the skin. You can use this. It helps tighten the skin. It makes it stronger. It's anti-wrinkle, anti-aging. So, you know, the age-old question, which is better? I honestly can't answer that, but I will tell you this. These are two herbs that you want in your arsenal. If anything has to do with respiratory, this is a rejuvenator. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.